You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. In English, it is a bit confusing. It could be pronounced soul. That's kind of how it's spelled, but British English and American English pronunciations are similar, pronounced as soul. The Americans say it a bit more as soul, a bit more open ah sound, but British English pronunciation, soul. The soul, the mind, the soul, soul. American English pronunciation again, soul. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.